In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix products showing as sold out despite inventory. If your online store is telling customers an item is sold out even though you know you have stock, it's usually a location or fulfillment setting causing the mismatch. Let's walk through a clear fix so your products display accurately on your storefront. First, open your product inventory. In your Shopify admin, go to products and select the product that's showing as sold out. This page is your control center for the item. Take a moment to look at the product details, and if it has variants like size or color, note that each variant can have its own quantity. Keep the affected variant in mind as we continue because this is often where the issue hides. Next, check inventory by location. On the product page, look for the inventory breakdown per location. Many stores have multiple locations, such as a warehouse, a retail store, or a third party facility, and your online store might be tied to one that doesn't have any stock. If you see that one location has units while the location connected to your online channel shows zero, that explains the sold out message. Now go to your location settings to make the right place fulfill online orders. In the bottom left of your admin, click settings, then choose locations. You'll see a list of all the places where your inventory is stored. This page controls which locations can serve different sales channels. Enable fulfillment for the correct location. Click into the location that actually has stock for this product and make sure it's allowed to fulfill online orders. Enabling it tells Shopify that when someone buys from your website, this location is eligible to ship that order. If you have multiple locations with stock, prioritize the one best suited for online fulfillment based on your workflows and shipping speeds. Head back to your storefront and refresh the product page to verify. Give the page a moment to update, and then check the exact variant you reviewed earlier. If everything is set correctly, the product should no longer show as sold out, and customers can add it to cart without issues. A quick tip before we wrap up: check each product variant, like sizes or colors, because inventory is tracked separately for each one. It's common for a single variant to be out of stock while others are available. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.